first question in your mock paper was a question 0, which was due to formatting issues, and it included one of these maps. Okay, the map itself was showing you the site of the eruption, and it was also you also had a resource booklet to refer to. Okay, so I've got on this slide the map you had in front of you along with the resource booklet. A few things to keep in mind because you had to here look at each volcanic hazard shown in Figure 1. Draw a line from the site of the eruption along the dotted line to show the aerial extent of the hazard. Okay, so first thing you had to locate was the site of the eruption, which is here. So that is the key. Okay, site of eruption is obviously over there where I put the red cross. You can see the arrow over here. Okay, you then had the dotted lines. You can see my mouse hovering over those. And you had a scale down there which said that this scale was 5,000 kilometers. And so if you used a ruler, it was about 1,000 kilometer measured about 0.4 centimeters. Okay, so first thing you had to do, you had to look at if we look at volcanic gases. Okay, impacts on health was the key one, because if you just looked at volcanic gases here, you would have thought it was 10,000 kilometers. It's not. It's for impact on health, which in this case here is 100. Okay, and so 100 would be 0.07 centimeters. And in that case, you would have to draw a 0.0 centimeter line, teeny tiny arrow along this dotted line, like it said in the question. Okay, that would be 1 mark. And then you notice that for volcanic gases impact on climate, you've got 1,000. Pyroclastic flow, you've got 1,000. And tsunami, you've got 1,000 kilometers from the source. So that would basically be 0.7 centimeter this way, that way, here. Do all 4, you get your 4 marks. So it looks stressful. There's lots of information here, but actually it's not that difficult. You have to use the map, look at the key, look at the scale, look at the resource, pay attention, and you should be able to draw your arrows.